on guys, in front of me I have a YouTube play button for reaching 10,000 subs. Now I wasn't actually sent a play button from YouTube. Instead, I purchased this replica on eBay and I recently hit 10,000 subs, so I thought it would be a good reason to pick this up. So I just want to make a quick video on the product itself. I think it looks great. It looks really official. Look at the attention to detail on this. It's, you know, absolutely great for a replica. So here is the font. I believe it's vinyl sticker on top of this glass. The play button itself is actually a wooden play button and then vinyl wrapped in a color of your choice. The frame is glass. The sides are wooden, just like the real product. Of course, it's not as shiny as the real product, and the lettering is not printed onto the glass like the real one. And of course, it says 10,000 subscribers, not 100,000. But you can actually request to have anything written on this, and I think that's great because it makes a great present for a YouTuber friend or someone you know who loves YouTube a lot. Here's a quick look at the back of the product. So I think it is a standard photo frame, and they did tape up the back of it, so I'm not gonna really take it apart. But I do think it looks really good for a replica. I will leave a link in the description. The person is in the UK, or maybe it was Australia, but there was a conversion, so I believe it was like 100 to 150 USD for what I paid for it. But I think it's definitely worth checking out, and if you do have a friend or you are an aspiring YouTuber, it is a great gift. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this product. As always, please leave me a thumbs up if you found the video helpful. Thank you guys for being subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I post a bunch of tech videos on there, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.